Hey folks, over in our QC area, operators used to waste at least 100 steps each way running back and forth to retrieve a drill from another room. They'd grab the tool, return to work, and then go back again to put it away. This back and forth wasted motion made the process frustrating and inefficient, leaving less time for actual work. To address this, we added a shelf right at the QC station to store the drill. While this was a step forward, it wasn't ideal. The drill and bits were stored in a plastic case, meaning operators had to open it and dig around for what they needed. On top of that, the shelf was positioned too low, requiring operators to bend over, another source of unnecessary motion and discomfort. So, to improve the improvement, we put the drill and its components into Kaizen foam, making everything visible and easily accessible. We also raised the shelf to a more suitable ergonomic height, eliminating the need to bend over. All of these changes helped reduce waste and improve the workflow, making the process smoother and more operator friendly. Finally, to make the setup better still, we relocated a power plug above the station. Now there are no more dangling wires in the way, just a clean, efficient setup. Thanks so much.